The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Every day, trillions of dollars exchange hands as traders buy and sell currencies. In recent years, a new player has emerged in this arena, artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we trade Forex, leading to the rise of algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading uses computer programs to execute trades automatically based on predefined rules and strategies. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and execute trades much faster than any human trader ever could. By incorporating machine learning, trading systems can learn from historical data, adapt to changing market conditions, and continuously improve their performance. As AI technology evolves, we can expect even more innovative applications in the Forex market. The increasing popularity of AI and algorithmic trading in Forex is driven by a number of factors. For many traders, the biggest draw is the potential for increased profitability. AI-powered trading systems can analyze market data much faster and more efficiently than humans, identifying profitable trading opportunities that human traders might miss. Another key advantage of automation is the removal of human emotions from the trading process. Fear and greed are two of the biggest enemies of successful trading. Automated trading systems, on the other hand, are not influenced by emotions. They follow the trading rules and strategies that they are programmed to follow, regardless of market volatility. Automation also allows for greater efficiency and speed of execution. Once an algorithm is programmed, it can trade 24/7 without the need for human intervention. This is particularly beneficial in the Forex market, which operates around the clock. Automated systems can also execute trades much faster than humans, taking advantage of fleeting trading opportunities. AI-powered trading systems employ a variety of strategies to identify and capitalize on profitable trading opportunities in the Forex market. Some of the most common AI strategies include trend following. This strategy involves identifying and following established trends in the market. AI algorithms can analyze historical data to identify patterns and predict future price movements based on these trends. Mean reversion. This strategy is based on the idea that prices tend to revert to their average over time. AI algorithms can identify when a currency pair has deviated significantly from its historical average and place trades accordingly. Sentiment analysis. This strategy involves analyzing market sentiment to gauge the overall bullishness or bearishness of traders. AI algorithms can scour news articles, social media posts, and other sources of information to determine market sentiment and make trading decisions accordingly. Arbitrage. This strategy involves exploiting price discrepancies between different exchanges or brokers. AI algorithms can monitor multiple markets simultaneously and execute trades instantly to take advantage of these price differences. Section 4. AI Trading for Everyone. One might think that AI trading is reserved for experienced traders with technical expertise. However, the reality is that AI trading is becoming increasingly accessible to everyone, even those with little to no trading experience. Numerous online platforms and tools now offer AI-powered trading solutions designed for beginners. These platforms often feature user-friendly interfaces that make it easy for anyone to get started with AI trading. They typically offer a variety of pre-built trading strategies and algorithms that users can choose from based on their risk tolerance and investment goals. Some platforms even allow users to create their own custom trading strategies using drag-and-drop interfaces, eliminating the need for coding knowledge. Section 5. The Future of Forex. A world driven by AI. The use of AI in Forex trading is still in its early stages, but its potential impact on the future of the market is undeniable. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and powerful AI-powered trading systems emerge. One exciting development is the rise of deep learning algorithms in Forex trading. Deep learning involves training artificial neural networks on vast amounts of data, enabling them to make highly accurate predictions about future price movements. Another trend to watch is the increasing integration of AI with other emerging technologies, such as blockchain and cloud computing. The future of Forex trading is likely to be shaped by the continued evolution and adoption of AI. Responsible development, ethical considerations, and ongoing education will be paramount in harnessing the full potential of AI in Forex trading while mitigating its risks.